Okay, here I am with my 77 Ford truck, which I adore. She belongs to my sunshine now. Just great work. My buddy's putting in an oil pump down below. And that is a stock intake up there, even though I've got the headers and everything. I've kind of always dreamed about an intake. That's the thing under the carb. And, well, guess what? I found one. Let me come over here. And there it is. So, why did I pay $450 for an intake? Well, number one, it was delivered. And by the way, these things are $450 new. So you're going, Todd, it's a pretty expensive delivery fee. Well, it ended up coming with a few extras. How about almost an entire long block 460? It comes with the block, the crank, the cam, the heads, the lifters, the rockers, the lifter arms. I'm sorry, rocker arms, lifters. I got this. Woo! I think that's probably stock chain. So I'm just so pumped. Oh, it was on a race boat. It came with headers. So I'm going to be selling those. I don't think those headers are going to work on my on my truck. But I am pumped. My first engine at 62 years old. I'm going to attempt to take it all apart, clean it, and put it back together.